Okay, pupils, we are on this Super Minds Workbook Year 1. So let us look at page 4. Friends, Activity 1. Match the sentences with the pictures. Color the circles. So you will need to refer to the textbook. So as you can see here, Whisper is wearing red jacket, Thunder blue, Misty purple, Flash in green. So we will color it according to the color in their jackets. So Whisper is red in color. So this one already color it. And number 2, I'm Flash. So Flash, we will choose the green color. So this is Flash. So I am Flash. So we will color it according to his jacket color. So depending on, it's up to you to choose the color. So I'm Flash. So this one is a 3D human character here. And then I'm Thunder. Thunder is wearing blue jacket. So Thunder. And then we have Misty. Misty is wearing purple color jacket. So Misty. And then now we are going to the next page, which is page number 5. So activity 1, match the colors with the words. So you can draw lines, but I will prefer you to write the numbers, write the words just below the number, because if you draw the lines, it will be very messy. So it's up to you. So to make it clearer, I will just write the words below the number. So this is 9. So 9. So maximize it a bit. This is 9, N-I, N-E. And then we have 5. So 5, F-I-V-E. And then 4, F-O-U-R. And then we have 8, E-I-G-H-T. And then 7. And then we have 3, T-H-R-E-E. And then we have 6. So S-I-X. And then we have 10. So 10, T-E-N. And then we have 2, T-W-O. And then we have 1, O-N-E. So activity 2, write the numbers. So 3, 1, 6, 2, 7, 9, 8, 4, 10, 5. So that's it. So we are on this Super Minds Workbook Year 1 on page number 4 and number 5. So if you are okay, you can always subscribe here. And then you can see the related videos here. Right below this video, there is a link. You can click it and then you can join the Telegram robot that I developed.